Hello everyone, just a quick look on the comment that I post below. This week we're talking about in the spirit, the reference of the chapter 1 verse 10, and I do believe of this concept of in the spirit that gives the authorship, like Thomas explains in his comment on Revelation. Also Bookman too has this idea of deep understanding from other books of the Bible, like Ezekiel, and Luke on the perspective of a prophecy. The discussion goes further to me. It goes to the vocal and inspiration of the Bible, or verbal inspiration of the Bible regarding the concept, and it goes through what the Orthodox comments, or the Orthodox ideas goes about to reveal the canon of the Bible, right? But I do believe as a Pentecostal, as well as I posted right at the beginning, that these ideas of revelations and these ideas that goes throughout the whole New Testament, it's something that we can pursue and understand today on our daily basis in the church. As a Pentecostal, I believe in the gifts of the Holy Spirit nowadays, and speaking in tongues. It's just one of them. It's many more stuff than that, as it goes for healing and prophesying as well. Even though we have some differences about prophecy would mean, and how further we can accept those prophecies as inspired word like we have in Revelation. It's something that I do believe that we can have today in church. Thank you very much, and more in the comment, please. Thank you very much for this opportunity. God bless you.